That's awesome, baby.
Freaks of Nature car show. I think it's like their 5th or 6th year out here, so.
So we are here at the car meet today, car show today, and Chad Douglas entered his car again to a car show here in Spanaway, and we're here, just chilling around. It's another Saturday afternoon. It's so beautiful today, and it's supposed to rain today, or like 50% chance of rain, but it is I'm surprised. We have a really good weather today. Chad Douglas, we're here since 8 o'clock this morning. I get here around about 9 o'clock or 9:30, and it was a little drizzly, but it's a beautiful weather and a good day for a car show. So I hope that we'll come home with some prize, some award today. And even though I'm here at the car show, I still need to study for my NCLEX. I'm having my exam on the 16th of October, which is going to be in next 2 weeks. And it's actually a good day to study up over here. This Spanaway Park is so beautiful. There's a lot of trees around right here, and yeah, it's beautiful weather. I love it. It is funny because I met a lady that is following us on YouTube, and they're right there behind me. Who would have thought that I will meet someone in this place at the car show that is watching my YouTube vlogs? So it's awesome.
Next one we have is entry number 101.
Congratulations!
Next one we're going to do is entry number 68, 1962.
That's awesome, baby.
Yeah. No.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Can you say? I'm so proud of Chad Douglas. He won top 30 of this car show, and yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be going to another car meet tonight. I don't feel like to, but we'll see what is going on later. So yeah.
All the swirls in the paint. Look at that. Horrible.
Wow. Amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, it's good looking.
Horrible.
Wow. Amazing. It's amazing. Wow. Amazing. It's amazing.
Stop doing that. It's gonna be the 4th time you're gonna be rewinding that thing. Chad and his swirls. Such a weirdo.